Hi guys, welcome to TechFox. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this new video, we are going to see the exact method to post on Instagram by using scheduled post. And this is a step-by-step tutorial. So please follow up and stay tuned until the last moment to maximize in your result. So now let's jump into it. So as the first step in this tutorial, now I'm going to proceed to my Windows Start menu, and then I'm going to open one of my web browser. So now I'm going to search for Google Chrome. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to simply search for Google Chrome Web Store. So I'm going to search for Google Chrome Web Store, and here it shows us that chrome.google.com, and it says Google Chrome Web Store. So simply proceed to this section, and all the links and the stuff are in the description box below. So you guys can find out this link in the description box below. So now I'm going to search for an extension of Google Chrome named Incisys, and using this free tool, we are going to schedule our Instagram post, and we are going to post our post in a best time where our followers and the audience are looking for. So now let's search for Incisys, and this is the Incisys. So I'm going to search for it. So you guys can see Incisys web client for Instagram, and this is 100% trusted and a safe platform where you guys can use this extension as a helper or an digital assistant easily. So now I'm going to simply click on add to Chrome, and this will ask me you can read and change your data on all facebook.com sites, all incisys.com sites, and instagram.com sites. So now I'm going to simply click on add extension. So okay, now you guys can see my extension is successfully active. So now I'm going to pin my extension, and this is running on background too. So now I'm going to simply open a new tab, and I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to simply proceed to a website named canva.com. By the way, canva.com is an awesome platform uh, where we can create any type of designs using canva.com, and this canva.com's link is also in the description box below. So now I'm going to create an Instagram post. So simply search for Instagram, and in this section it will show you many Instagram posts. So you can simply proceed to Canva, and you can simply again click on social media, and you can simply select the Instagram to reach this section too. So now I'm going to simply click on Instagram post square. So you can simply select any of these type of designs, and you can create your own way. And so now I'm going to make an Instagram post for my Instagram page, which is Motivation Logic. So you guys can simply name any of this, like simply you can name it as quotes. So this will be your file name. So now I'm going to leave it as design. So now I'm going to simply click on this background, and I'm going to simply proceed to the photos section, and I'm going to simply search for background, or I can simply search for nature. So now I'm going to get one of this background to my image. This image looks pretty good. So now I'm going to simply get a proceed to the elements, and I'm going to get a rounded rectangle. So now I'm going to simply make my rectangle's color as white. So, and I'm going to reduce the corner rounding. So this looks pretty good. Now I'm going to simply click on the text, and I'm going to add some text to my Instagram post. Okay, now I'm going to add some text to my post. So I'm going to simply paste this text, and you have to fight to reach your dream, and this is a quote of Lionel Messi. So now I'm going to simply make this text size to 50, and I'm going to increase the size, and now I'm going to simply reduce, and okay. Now I'm going to change the text format, so you guys can simply proceed here and you guys can change any of these text format of your text, and you guys can see this is changing lively when you are clicking it. So this is very easy. So now I'm going to simply search for Oswald, and I can get this Oswald text too, so I can get it. So Oswald is also good, but I'm gonna leave it as Canva's default font, so which is Canva Sans, and this looks pretty good. And I'm gonna reduce the size of this to 68, and now okay, I have successfully created this one, and I'm gonna tag this as Lionel Messi. So I'm gonna simply take a small text here, and I'm gonna add this add as Lionel Messi, and now I'm gonna align this to the center, and okay, now I have successfully created my post. So now I'm gonna download this, and I'm gonna simply click on download to download this, and you guys can see my post is successfully downloaded. So now I'm going to open this Instagram assistant, and I'm going to simply click on OK. Okay, now I have successfully signed in to the Incisys Instagram plugin, and you guys can see this account of mine is active. So you guys can simply click on add account to add your own account, and you guys can use this Instagram assistant. So now I'm going to simply click on post assistant, and I need to simply click on add files to add any of my files. Now I'm going to simply add my downloaded file. So now I'm going to simply click on downloads, and I'm going to simply drop this file, and you guys can see this shows me as local, and this says me you will be moved to Meta Business Suite in the upcoming days. So now I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to enter my caption of my post. So simply I'm going to copy my existing post caption, and I'm going to simply change some of the text. So this is my existing post caption. So now I'm going to simply click on edit post, and I'm going to copy all of these, and I can simply copy all of these, and I'm going to simply proceed to my new post. And you guys can see this Incisys is a very easy plugin, and you guys also can use this for 100% free. So I'm going to simply retag it as motivational logic, and I'm going to retag it, and you guys can see this does not show my account. So I'm going to simply cut this, and I'm going to leave a space here, and now I'm going to again try it. And you guys can see this does not show because this is my account. So I'm going to leave as it is, and I'm going to edit this text, and I'm going to simply enter this caption, and I'm going to simply add the location as quotes, and I'm going to make this location, and this is my post. So now I'm going to tag my Instagram account over here. I'm going to simply tag it, and okay, I have tagged it. and now I'm going to simply click on save, and here it will show me the tagged in picture, and it will ask me to post to Facebook also. So I'm going to leave as it is, and now I'm going to simply click on advanced settings, and we can simply enter the alt text here too. So I'm going to make this alt text, and I can simply turn on this comments also over here. So now okay, I have successfully uploaded my Instagram post, and this says me 100%. Now I'm going to simply click on schedule, and I can simply schedule my Instagram post based on the popularity of my audience time. So you guys can check out your popularity time in the Facebook Meta or Facebook Meta Manager or the professional dashboard. So I can simply select any of the time, and I can schedule this. This Incisive plugin will automatically publish my Instagram post automatically. So we have successfully learned how we can publish or schedule Instagram post on a daily basis or a weekly basis. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe TechFox YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.